Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna burgers using a super easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. You'll need 2 cans of drained tuna, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Also, grab 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. These basic items are the foundation for a quick and satisfying meal. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to bring them together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the drained tuna, the egg, breadcrumbs, and the finely chopped onion. Next, add in the fresh parsley, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. Use a fork or your hands to mix everything thoroughly, but be careful not to overmix. We want to keep that lovely, flaky texture of the tuna for perfect patties. With your mixture ready, it's time to form those delicious patties. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and gently shape each one into a burger patty, about 1 inch thick. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your tuna burgers into the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. And there you have it, your homemade tuna burgers are ready to enjoy. These versatile patties are fantastic served on toasted buns with your favorite toppings, like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and a tangy pickle. For an extra touch, consider adding a slice of cheese or a generous dollop of tartar sauce. These quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying tuna burgers are perfect for a weeknight dinner or a casual lunch. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.